The duo of Abby Justice and Megan Bushy will leave Thursday morning to compete in the United States Bowling Congress Junior Gold Championships in Dallas.
I'm kind of nervous, but also excited at the same time.
I'm really excited to go.
Abby's been bowling since about 8 years old. And Megan's been playing since age 5.
I love bowling to death. I don't know what I would do without it.
I really like to bowl because I get to bowl with my pup-up. He practices with me, and my dad, he helps me.
The two have been putting in extra work for this tournament. Megan says she's been practicing 4 days a week.
You gotta practice and focus and concentrate a lot.
Rick Justice works at the Milford Bowling Lanes Pro Shop and has been drilling balls for the girls to use.
Because yes, you want to win, but you don't want to go out there and get frustrated and aggravated with yourself while you're trying to bowl, because it's a tough shot. It's a tough competition, and there's over 200 bowlers that'll be out there, maybe a lot more than that.
If either one of them advances to the finals, the game will be played on Sunday, July the 22nd. I'm Anthony Joseph reporting for WRDE, Delmarva's own NBC station.